Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. First, subscribe. Whoever subscribes, likes, and comments something down below in this 1 minute will get a shout out. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Give you 1 minute, 10 seconds to comment down below, and you'll be in the shout out. Okay. In this video, we'll be making a volcano. First, you need to pour some baking soda into a bowl. That will be enough. Then pour the right consistency of water in there. Don't put too much, and mix. After you're done mixing, you shape it into a volcano on another plate. I've already made more, so don't put too much, just put enough, and now shape it into a volcano. And if you put too much water, then add more baking soda. If you put too much baking soda, then add a little bit more water. But the small chance you're going to add too much baking soda. Now make it really tall. Poke a hole. Big hole. If you want to add color, that's optional, but after that, you pour some vinegar in it, and let's see what happens. Wow. The carbon dioxide level gets higher. And now stuck to me to clean all this mess. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna leave a shout out for the first 3 who watched this video. Thank you.